Hello guys, welcome once again to this YouTube channel Corex TV. On today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to add the Trust Wallet extension to your your PC or your laptop devices. Now the Trust Wallet extension is the latest update on the Trust Wallet team. So for a very long time now, we have only had to work with only the Trust Wallet on the Android devices, which is you can get on the Google Play Store, and also the Trust Wallet on the Apple devices, which you can get on the Apple Store. So you could also get the Trust Wallet, the app itself, to use in any Android usable devices. So this is a new development. They added the Trust Wallet extension because they noticed that a lot of users are comfortable using their PCs for running transactions on the cryptocurrency space. So on today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to add the extension. Is as easy as ABC. So let's get into it. You go to the official website. It's advisable you go through the official website while trying to add the Trust Wallet extension, because there's other ones on the net there. So you won't add the one that will copy your phrases. So you click on available in the Chrome Web Store. When you click on it, it will take you directly to the Chrome Web Store, where you could download the Trust Wallet Chrome extension. So it's loading. Remember, if this is your first time on this YouTube channel, I would really appreciate you give us a thumbs up, and also you click on the subscribe button to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more educational videos like this. Well, it does not really mean so much to you guys, but it means the world to me if you would give me a thumbs up and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. It will help me in improving on every other aspect of the videos I upload. So please, in case there's any feedback you have, you could leave the comments down in the comment section below. So while we wait for this to finish downloading in less than a second, and we're done. So remember, when creating this, you always need to be careful so as not to expose your phrases. You know, is of importance you protect your phrase from anyone. You should be the only person who is conversant with your phrases, no other persons. So I've finished downloading it. I'll click on the icon here. You see Trust Wallet. Now I've clicked on it. It's loading. Good. So welcome to the Trust Wallet extension, the multi-chain wallet trusted by millions. So we tap on create a new wallet. This is for educational purpose. So I'm going to be creating a new wallet, of which I'm going to delete immediately I'm done with this video. Okay, privacy policy, no thanks. Now set a password, and we'll be required to set a password for this. Remember, the password you're setting is a password that will protect your Trust Wallet whenever you want to go into it. Remember, as you can see, it must contain one symbol, one digit, uppercase, and 8 or more characters. So when you meet this requirement, all is going to show green. Okay, it's not difficult. It's something you could do. I would advise you have a password that covers every requirement on the internet space. It makes things easy for you. So you click on proceed. So I know they are generating the wallet now, and the phrase will be available for us. Now remember, your 12 phrases are meant to be kept safe from anyone from moving your family member. Back up your secret phrase. You will be shown a secret phrase on the next screen. It allows you to recover your wallet even if you lose your device or forget your password. So click on next. So as you can see, this is your secret phrase. You'll be shown a secret phrase on the next screen. It allows you this. Okay, got it. Now confirm this. So this is the secret phrase. I'm going to be keeping a copy of it. Remember, this is just for educational purpose. So I would advise you don't even attempt to install this in your own wallet, because I won't be using this anywhere. Once I'm done with this, I will be deleting it. So confirm, outdoor, halo, slim, button, tail, early, reward, frequent, say, divide, and paper, and we're good to go. So scroll down and click on next. Congratulations. So trust set as default wallet. To enable seamless dApp connection, I would not really set it as default wallet because I also have my MetaMask wallet that I use all the time. So it's as simple as ABC. How to access dApps with Trust Wallet. These so with Trust Wallet you have three easy ways to access dApps. When you hear the word dApps, it means decentralized application. So choose one of these when it's time to connect. You choose the Trust Wallet icon, the Wallet Connect icon, the injected or browser wallet icon. So that's it. They're just teaching you how to go about it. So manage all your tokens easily. I'm ready to use Trust Wallet. As simple as ABC. So this is how the interface looks like. So as you can see, no dApp connection available. If there's a dApp connection, it's going to pop up there. So if you want to search for any coin or token on Trust Wallet, you can do that here. So let me see if this is available here. Digimon, let's see. Okay, it's not available. So let's see if this other one is available here. Bonk, yeah, it's here. So you can access any coin you wish to access on the on the space. So go back out now. So as you can see, so this is it. You can send and receive. So for you to send, you add the recipient address, the memo, and the amount you wish to send off. And to what to receive, you copy your phrase and you send it to what to the sender, and that's it. So remember, once again, this is just how you install your Trust Wallet extension on your PC. Now for you could go to settings and you can see the network is currently on Ethereum, so you can also change the network. You could change it to to Avalanche C chain, to Polygon, or to Binance Smart Chain. Now there are also test networks here. Balances for test network won't be included in your total balance. So we have the BNB test network. You also have so we're switching to the BNB test network. Let's see what they have there. Now you can also add other custom network, just like example for the core network that is out that they are launching tomorrow. So you could add it and that's it. So as you can see, BNB Smart Chain. So this is it. So you could receive BNB test coin and run any developer operation you wish to do. So it's as simple as ABC. So you could also set it as default, share product analytics. You could view your secret phrase, and you could also lock it. So let me change it back to the Ethereum network, because this is just for educational purpose, of which I'll be deleting this as well. Remember, don't attempt to log this in for your own good. It will be wasting of your time. Okay, so this is just how you do it and you're good to go. So that's all. Thank you once again for watching this video, and I would really appreciate you give us a thumbs up, and also you subscribe to our YouTube channel for more of these educational videos. Goodbye.